Hello dear students, in this video I'll continue with revision for term 1 differentiation and its applications. Here I will discuss about slope and equation of tangent and normal to a curve. I'll also solve the questions of exercise 3.3 of CBSE book student support material. Now first we will see how to find the slope of a tangent and a normal to a curve. Now let us take let y is equal to f of x be a real function. Then the slope or the gradient of a non-vertical tangent at a point a x0 comma y0. It is calculated as dy by dx at a x0 comma y0. So for this curve y is equal to f of x, we have to differentiate this with respect to x, and then we have to substitute x as x0 and y as y0 to find the slope of the tangent to this curve y is equal to f of x at this point a. And now coming to normal, if y is equal to f of x is a real function, then normal to the curve at a point a x0 comma y0. Here x0 comma y0 is nothing but x0 comma f of x0. On it is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent at the given point on the curve. So the normal at this point a, which is to this curve y is equal to f of x, is a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent at this point a. So the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this tangent, it is given by minus 1 by dy by dx at a x0 comma y0. And another condition is this normal should not be perpendicular to the x-axis. So the slope of a normal line to the curve at a point a x0 comma y0 is minus 1 by dy by dx at a x0 comma y0. If we find the slope of the tangent, then negative, the reciprocal of this, it will give the slope of the normal. Now moving on, equation of tangent and normal to a curve. Now equation of a line which is passing through x1 y1 and having a slope m, it is given by, in our earlier classes we have studied, this equation is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now we just now saw the slope of the tangent m, it is nothing but it is dy by dx at x0 comma y0. So the equation of tangent to the curve at the point a x0 y0 will be y minus y0 is equal to, this is the slope of the tangent, dy by dx at x0 comma y0 into x minus x0. Similarly, equation of normal at the point a x0 comma y0 is given by y minus y0 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at this point x0 comma y0 into x minus x0. Now let us solve the exercise questions. These are the questions from exercise 3.3. The first one, find the slopes of the tangents and normal to the curves at the indicated points. First one is y is equal to x cube minus x at x is equal to 1. Now slope of the tangent, before finding the slope of the tangent, let us find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 1. Now slope of the tangent at x is equal to 1. It is dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So here we have to substitute x as 1. So the slope of the tangent is, it is 2. Three minus 1 equal to 2. Then the slope of the normal, it is minus 1 by dy by dx at x is equal to 1, or it is equal to minus 1 by 2. The next question, y is equal to x square, 3x square minus 6x at x is equal to 2. So first let us find dy by dx. So it is 6x minus 6. Now slope of the tangent is dy by dx at x is equal to 2. So it is 6 into 2, 12 minus 6, which is 6. And slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So slope of the normal is minus 1 by 6. The next question, y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, x not equal to 2 at x is equal to 10. So here the slope of, first let us find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Then keep the denominator, differentiate the numerator, minus keep the numerator and differentiate the denominator. So x minus x will go. So here minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square. So the slope of the tangent, this is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 10, or it is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 2 the whole square. So it is minus 1 by 8 square, which is minus 1 by 64. Now slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x is equal to 10, or it is negative reciprocal of this. So slope of the normal will be minus 1 by 64. This will be equal to 64. So this is slope of the normal. The next question, x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to 2 at 1, 1. So first let us find dy by dx. So let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we get here 2 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 into y raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 into dy by dx equal to 0. So 2 by 3 will go. So from here we have dy by dx equal to minus x raised to minus 1 by 3 upon y raised to minus 1 by 3, or this is equal to minus of y by x the whole raised to 1 by 3. Now here it is as slope of the tangent at 1, 1. So slope of the tangent is dy by dx at 1, 1. So it is minus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 3, which is minus 1. Now the slope of the normal is, it is minus 1 by this value. So slope of the normal is 1. The next question, find the equations of tangent and normal to the curve at the indicated points. The first one is y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at the point 2, 7. So usually the equation of the line is given by y minus y1 is equal to the slope of the line into x minus x1. So here x1 and y1 are 2 and 7. This 2 is x1 and 7 is y1, and we have to find the equations of tangent and normal. Let me use mt for the slope of the tangent and mn for slope of normal. Now first, for finding the slope of tangent and normal, we need to differentiate this equation. So first let us differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at the point 2, 7 into x minus x1, or we have y minus 7 is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into x minus 2, or from this we have y minus 7 is equal to 9 into x minus 2, or we have 9x minus 7 9x minus y minus 11 equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now coming to equation of normal. So equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point 2 comma 7 into x minus x1, or we have y minus 7 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at 2 comma 7 is 3 into 4 minus 3, which is 9 into x minus 2. So from here we have 9y minus 73 is equal to 63 is equal to minus x plus 2, or we have x plus 9y minus 65 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent and this is the equation of the normal. Next question, x is equal to at square, y equal to 2at at t equal to 0. So first let us find dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is 2a and dx by dt is 2at. So this is equal to 2a upon 2at. Now dy by dx at t equal to 2, it will give us the slope of the tangent mt. So this is equal to 2a by 4a, or it is equal to 1 by 2. So the slope of the tangent is 1 by 2 and the slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So it is minus 2. Now we can write now here it is asked equation of tangent and normal at t is equal to 2. Now we need to find x and y at t equal to 2. At t equal to 2, x is equal to a into 2 square 4a and y is equal to 2a into 2, which is 4a. So the point is 4a comma 4a. The slope of the tangent is half and the slope of the normal is minus 2. So using this information, we can find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent at 4a comma 4a. It is y minus 4a equal to, this is the slope of the tangent, 1 by 2 into x minus 4a. Or from this we have 2y minus 8a equal to x minus 4a. Or we have x minus 2y plus 4a equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Now equation of normal. So equation of normal at 4a comma 4a is y minus 4a equal to, this is the slope of the normal. This is the slope of the normal. So this is equal to minus 2 into x minus 4a. Or from this we have 2x plus y minus 4a minus 8a. So it is 2x plus y minus 12a equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent and this is the equation of the normal. The next question, find the equations of the tangents to the curve at the points where the tangents to the curve y equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 21 are parallel to the x-axis. Now we need to find the equations of tangents to the curve at those points where the tangents to this curve are parallel to the x-axis. If the tangents are parallel to the x-axis, then the slope of the tangent is 0. So we need to find the points where slope is 0. So here it is given slope of the tangent MT is 0. That is dy by dx equal to 0. Now let us differentiate this with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to 8x square minus 30x plus 36. Now we have 6x square. Now dy by dx equal to 0 implies this expression equal to 0. So 6 is common. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Or we have x square minus 5x plus 6 is 0. When we factorize this, we get x minus 3 into x minus 2. X minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. So the x coordinates for the tangents to this curve which are parallel to the x-axis are 3 and 2. Now by substituting x is equal to 3 here and x is equal to 2 here, we can find the y coordinates. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3 cube minus 15 3 square plus 36 into 3 minus 21. So when we simplify this, we get this as 6. So one point is 3, 6. And then the next point is when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square plus 36 into 2 minus 21. Or this is equal to, when we simplify, we get this is equal to 7. So when x is equal to 3, y equal to 6, and when x is equal to 2, y equal to 7. So the 2 points are 3, 6 and 2, 7, and the slope of the tangent is equal to 0. So equation of the tangent will be, therefore equation of tangent at 3, 6, it will be y minus 6 equal to dy by dx into x minus 3. Since dy by dx equal to 0, the equation of the tangent is y minus 6 equal to 0. And equation of tangent at the next point is 2, 7. This is the next point, 2, 7. It is y minus y1. Y minus 7 is equal to dy by dx into x minus 2. dy by dx is 0. So y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the next equation. This is the equation of the next tangent. So these are the equations of the tangent to this curve at the point where the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Next question, find the equation of tangents to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 4 which is perpendicular to the line x plus 14y plus 3 equal to 0. Now the slope of this line x plus 14y plus 3 equal to 0, it is negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So slope of this line x plus 14y plus 3 equal to 0, it is minus 1 upon 14. And here it is given, we need to find the equation of the tangent to the curve perpendicular to this line. So if the tangent is perpendicular to this line, then the slope of the tangent will be minus 1 by this slope. Therefore, slope of tangent mt equal to minus 1 by minus 1 upon 14, or this is equal to 14. Now from here we can find the slope of the tangent. So the curve is y equal to x cube plus 2x minus 4. So from here we can find the slope of the tangent as mt equal to dy by dx. This is equal to 3x square plus 2. So if we take this as 1 and this as 2, these two are equal. These two are the slope of the tangent. So from 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 implies 3x square plus 2 equal to 14, or we have 3x square equal to 12, x square equal to 4. Square equal to 4 implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we can find the points. Now we know the x coordinates, x is 2 and minus 2. So from this curve we can find the y coordinates. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 minus 4. So it is 8. So one of the points is 2, 8. The next point is when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So this is equal to minus 8 minus 16. So we have the points as 2, 8 and minus 2, minus 16. So these are the 2 points and the slope is 14. So using this we can find the equation of tangents. So equation of tangent at 2, 8 is y minus 8 is equal to 14 into x minus 2, or from this we have 14x minus y minus 20 equal to 0. Then the next equation is equation of tangent at minus 2, minus 16. It is y plus 16 is equal to 14 into x plus 2. Or from this we have 14x minus y plus 28 minus 16 is plus 12 equal to 0. So these are the 2 tangents to this curve which are perpendicular to this line. The next question, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x minus y upon x square minus 5x plus 6 at the point where it cuts the x-axis. So here we need to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve, to this curve at the point where it cuts the x-axis. So at the point where it cuts the x-axis means here the y coordinate will be 0. So where it cuts the x-axis means y coordinate is 0. Y is equal to 0. So from this we have 0 equal to this equation. X minus 7 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. So from this we get x is equal to 7. So the required point is 7, 0. Now let us find dy by dx. To find the slope, we have got the point 7, 0. So the required point is 7, 0. Now let us find dy by dx. dy by dx is, we need to differentiate this. So it is x square minus 5x plus 6 the whole square. Keep the denominator, differentiate the numerator, minus keep the numerator and differentiate the denominator. So this we have x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 2x square, then plus 14x plus 5x minus 35 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 the whole square. So it is coming to minus x square plus 14x minus 29 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 the whole square. Now to find the slope of the tangent MT, it is dy by dx at 7, 0. So this is equal to minus 7 square plus 14 into 7 minus 29 upon 7 square minus 5 into 7 plus 6 the whole square. Or when we simplify, we get minus 49 plus 98 minus 29 upon 49 minus 35 plus 6 the whole square. So it is 20 upon 20 square, or it is equal to 1 by 20. So this is the slope of the tangent. The slope of the normal will be minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So it will be minus 20. Now equation of the tangent is at 7, 0. It is y minus y1 is 0 equal to, this is the slope of the tangent, 1 by 20 into x minus 7. Or we have x minus 20y minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. Now equation of normal. At 7, 0 is y minus 0 equal to, this is the slope of the normal, minus 20 into x minus 7. So from this we have y equal to minus 20x plus 140, or we have 20x plus y minus 140 equal to 0. Now this is the equation of the tangent and this is the equation of the normal. So here it is as we have to find the equation of the tangent and normal to this curve at the point where it cuts the x-axis. When it cuts the x-axis, it means the y-coordinate will be 0. So using y-coordinate as 0, we can find the x-coordinate from the given curve. So we get x is equal to 7. So the required point, so the tangent and the normal, they are at this point 7, 0. So we can find the slope of the tangent at this point and slope of the normal, and we can find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal using the information that we just now got. The next question, find the equation of the normal to the curve x square equal to 4y which passes through the point 1, 2. So here we need to find the equation of the normal to this curve which passes through the point 1, 2. It is not as the equation of the normal to this curve at this point. Only the normal passes through this point, whereas the curve does not pass through this point. So now let us try to solve this. So the given curve is x square equal to 4y. Or from this we have y is equal to x square upon 4. Let us take this as equation 1. First let us find the slope of the normal. So further let us differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to 2x upon 4, or it is equal to x by 2. Now slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, or it is minus 2 by x. Now let us take, let x1, y1 be the point at which the required point. Let x1, y1 be the required point. That is, we need to find the normal to this curve at this point. So from this we have equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to, this is the slope, so minus 2 by x1 into x minus x1. So this will be the equation of the normal. But here it is given the normal passes through the point 1, 2. Since 1, 2, let us mark this as 2. Since 1, 2 satisfies 2, we have 2 minus y1 equal to minus 2 by x1 into 1 minus x1. Or we have y1 is equal to 2 plus 2 by x1 into 1 minus x1, or 2 is common, 2 by x1 is common, let us take it outside, into x1 plus 1 minus x1. So these two will go, it is 2 by x1. So we have y1 is equal to 2 by x1. Let us mark this as 3. Now we need to find the normal to this curve at this point. This point will lie on this curve. So we have, since x1, y1 satisfies 1, we have y1 is equal to x1 square upon 4. Let us mark this as 4. Here we can see that these two are equal. So 3 and 4 implies 2 by x1 equal to x1 square upon 4, or we have x1 cube equal to 8. So from this we get x1 equal to 2. So we got x1 as 2. Now from 1 we can find y1, or from 4. From 4 we can find y1. From 4 y1 is equal to 2 square by 4. So it is 4 by 4, which is 1. And we can also find the slope of the normal. So we can easily find the equation of the normal using this second equation. Therefore required point is 2, 1. Therefore equation of normal is y minus 1 equal to minus 2 by 2 into x minus 2. Or we have x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the normal. So first it is given, we need to find the equation of the normal to this curve which passes through this point 1, 2. So we took this curve, found the slope of the normal. We took, let x1, y1 be the required point, that is the indicated point to find the normal to this curve. So we can find the equation of the normal as y minus y1 is equal to the slope of the normal minus 2 by x1 into x minus x1, and it is given this normal passes through this point 1, 2. It means this equation 2 will 1, 2 satisfies equation 2. We substitute x as 1 and y as 2 here, and we get y1 is equal to 2 by x1. Then this x1 y1 will satisfy this equation, x square equal to 4y. So we substitute x as x1 and y as y1, and we get y1 is equal to x1 square upon 4. From 3 and 4, when we simplify, we get x1 as 2. Then from x1 as 2, we get the coordinate y1 as 1. So we got the required point and the slope. Now we can find the equation of the normal. Next question. For the curve y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4, find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So the previous question it was, we need to find the equation of the normal which passes through some point 1, 2. Whereas here we need to find the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Here we need not find the equation of the tangent. We just have to find the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So first let us take the given curve is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. Now from this we can, let us try to find the slope of the tangent and keep it here, dy by dx. It is 2x plus 3. So let us take, let the required point be similar to the previous one, x1, y1. So in that case, the slope of the tangent will be dy by dx at x1, y1. So it will be 2x1 plus 3. And the equation of tangent will be y minus y1 equal to the slope of the tangent, this 2x1 plus 3 into x minus x1. So let us mark this as 1 and let us mark this as 2. Here it is given the tangent passes through the origin. So 0, 0 satisfies 3. So we have 0 minus y1 equal to 2x1 plus 3 into minus x1. Or we have y1 is equal to 2x1 plus 3 into x1. Since we have taken the required point as x1, y1, this point will lie on this given curve 1. So from 1 we have y1 is equal to x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4. So from these two equations we get x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4. This is equal to x1 into 2x1 plus 3, or this is equal to 2x1 square plus 3x1. So 3x1 will go. We get x1 square is equal to 4, or x is equal to plus or minus 2. x1 equal to. Now we get 2 points, x1 is 2 and x1 is minus 2. When x1 is 2, we can find y1, and when x1 is minus 2, we can find y1. So those are the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So when x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 4. So it is 4 plus 6 plus 4, 14. This is from 1. Similarly, when x1 is minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 4. So it is 2. So the 2 points are 2, 14 and minus 2, 2. Therefore, required points are 2, 14 and minus 2, 2. The next question, show that the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve y equal to b into e raised to minus x by a at the point where it crosses the y-axis. So we need to show that this line touches this curve where it crosses the y-axis. So when it crosses the y-axis, it means x is equal to 0. So at that point, x will be equal to 0. So when it crosses y-axis, x equal to 0. Now we can substitute x equal to 0 here and we can find y. Y is equal to b into e raised to 0, which means y equal to b. Now let us find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to b into e raised to minus x by a into minus 1 by a, or it is equal to minus b by a into e raised to minus x by a. So we have the required point as 0, b. So the slope of the tangent is dy by dx at 0, b, or it is equal to minus b by a into e raised to 0. So it is minus b by a. So the equation of the tangent will be equation of the tangent at 0, b. It will be y minus b equal to, this is the slope of the tangent, minus b by a into x minus 0. Now we need to show that this line x by a plus y by b equal to 1, it touches the curve at the point where it crosses the y-axis. So this is the line. If we simplify, we will get this line. So we have y minus b by b equal to minus x by a, or we have x by a plus y by b minus 1 equal to 0, or x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So this is the line which touches the curve y equal to b into e raised to a where it crosses the y-axis. Next question, show that the curves xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square touch each other. Now this is a slightly tricky question. Here we have to first find the point of intersection of these two curves, and then we have to show that these two curves do not intersect, but they simply touch each other because these two curves have common tangents. So that is the way in which we have to go about with this question. So first let us find the point of intersection of these two curves. First, to find point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, we need to solve these two equations. xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So from this we have y is equal to a square by x. Substituting here we get x square plus a raised to 4 by x square equal to 2a square, or we have x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 minus 2a square x square equal to 0, or we have x square minus a square the whole square equal to 0, which means x is equal to plus or minus a. So now we need to find when x is a what is y, and when x is minus a what is y from here. So when x is equal to a, y is equal to a square by a, so it is a. When x equal to minus a, y equal to a square by minus a, so it is minus a. Therefore, the required points of intersection are a comma a and minus a comma minus a. Now let us find the tangent to this curve and to this curve and show that their slopes are equal, and then we can show that these two curves touch each other. So first let us consider xy equal to a square. So from here we have y is equal to a square upon x. So dy by dx is equal to minus a square by x square. And here let us consider x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So on differentiating we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0, or we have dy by dx equal to minus x by y. So we have these two curves xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square. For these two curves we found dy by dx. So first let us find the slope of this curve, the slope of the tangent to this curve at this point. Dy by dx at a comma a, it is equal to minus a square by a square, which is minus 1. Here also dy by dx at a comma a, it is minus a by a, so it is minus 1. So here we can see that the slope of these two curves at this point is minus 1. So it means there is one common tangent which is to this curve and this curve. It means these two curves will touch at this point a comma a. Now let us take this point dy by dx at minus a comma minus a. So dy by dx at minus a comma minus a for this curve xy equal to a square is minus a square upon minus a the whole square. So it is again minus 1, and here dy by dx, here this is the slope of the tangent to this curve at minus a comma minus a. It is here, it is minus of minus a by minus a, so it is plus a by minus a, again it is minus 1. So here again the slope of the tangent of these two curves are equal. It means these two curves touch each other. Or if we draw it in the form of a diagram, this is the equation of a circle and this is the equation of a hyperbola. So here this is the circle and here we have the hyperbola. Here this point is a comma a, and this point is minus a comma minus a. So here there is one common tangent, and here there is one common tangent. So this is the reason why these two curves touch each other. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this is the curve x square plus y square equal to 2a square, and this is the hyperbola xy equal to a square. So thus we have proved that these two curves touch each other. The next question, prove that the curves xy equal to 4 and x square plus y square equal to 8 touch each other. Again it is similar to the previous question. The previous question it is xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square. Here it is xy equal to 4, that is a is 2. So it is similar question with a as 2. So again we have to proceed in a similar manner, just how we did the previous. So first let us find the point of intersection. Xy equal to 4 and x square plus y square equal to 8. From xy equal to 4 we get y is equal to 4 by x. Now substituting this here we get x square plus 16 by x square equal to 8. When we simplify we get x square plus 16 minus 8x square equal to, x raised to 4. This is x raised to 4 equal to 0. Or we have x square minus 4 the whole square equal to 0. Or from here we have x square equal to 4 or x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we need to find y when x is plus 2 and when x is minus 2 from equation 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4 by minus 2, which is minus 2. Therefore, the required points of intersection are 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 2. Now we have to show that these two curves touch each other. That is, we have common tangents to these two curves at these points. So for that, first let us find dy by dx. Y is xy equal to 4 and x square plus y square equal to 8. So here y is equal to 4 by x. So we have dy by dx is equal to minus 4 by x square. Here when we differentiate we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0, or dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Now let us find at 2, 2 first. So dy by dx at 2, 2, the tangent to this curve will have slope equal to minus 1. Again at 2, 2, the tangent to this curve will have slope equal to minus 1. So these two curves have common common tangent at this point. Then at minus 2, minus 2, the slope of the tangent at this point to this curve, it is minus 4 by 4. So again it is minus 1, and the tangent to this curve at this point minus 2, minus 2. It is here minus of minus 2 upon minus 2. It is plus 2 upon minus 2, which is again minus 1. So here it means the tangent to this curve and this curve are the same, and these two tangents are parallel. It means these two curves touch each other. Therefore, curves touch each other. They do not intersect, they just touch each other. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.